So building a YouTube channel is tough. And honestly, a lot of the toughness comes from just finding the time to do it. You know, we could say over and over again, I want to build a YouTube channel, but until you actually take the time, set aside the time to do it, it's just lip service. But when you show up over and over and over again and show that you really want to grow your channel, that's when you start to see significant results. And I don't use the word significant to say that it's just going to blow up overnight. No, what I mean is any result. If you make a video per year, it's going to take a lot longer to grow a channel than if you make 12 videos per year. And if you only make 12 videos per year, that's going to take a lot longer to grow a channel than if you make 36 videos per year. Lately, I've been trying to make 3 videos per week. And that's a tough schedule to keep. That's thinking about content almost every single day. That's recording videos at least 3 times a week. That means putting perfection out the window and saying, yes, I'm going to make a video today, even if it means recording in my car. And I've recorded in even less ideal places before in the past as well. Years ago, I recorded from a hospital room. My daughter was in the hospital. She was stable. She didn't need me at the moment. So I took a few minutes and recorded a video. The thing is, if you want to grow on YouTube, you got to devote the time and energy to make it happen. That means thinking about priorities. You know, we can prioritize all kinds of things in life. We oftentimes prioritize our full-time job, or we might prioritize our hobbies or our family, of course. But thinking through all of your priorities, at some point, you got to say, I'm going to prioritize this YouTube channel. It's going to come before hobbies. It's going to come before, entertainment. If you want to make it happen, you got to make it happen. You got to stop putting it off and start saying to yourself, I'm going to make this happen. Do you want it so bad that you're going to make it happen? It's the people who treat YouTube like a business that ultimately will see it succeed. That means even if you see it fail over and over and over again, you're going to keep on working at it. Maybe it's not your 9-to-5 job just yet. Maybe it's a couple hours in the evening. Maybe it's all day on Saturday, but it's not just a when I get around to it kind of thing. It's more of a scheduled every week, even when I don't feel like it kind of thing. And if you keep on showing up, like I said, it doesn't mean that you're going to blow up overnight, but it does mean that you're going to see consistent results over time. Maybe you get a subscriber in a week. Maybe you get 1 subscriber per week for a few weeks. And then after that, it turns into 2 subscribers every once in a while. And eventually you're getting 1 or 2 subscribers every day. Do you know if you get 3 subscribers per day, that's 1,000 subscribers in a year? That's one of the milestones you need to get monetized. And maybe at first you're only getting a few watch hours per day, but eventually maybe you're getting 5 to 10 watch hours per day. Do you know if you get 11 watch hours per day, that's getting monetized in 1 year? These kinds of things don't happen overnight, but you can work towards it. And if you keep on making this kind of progress, eventually it's going to happen. But it's not going to happen if you just say, well, one day I'll get around to it. No, you got to prioritize it. You got to treat it like a business. You got to say, even if I don't feel like it, I'm going to make this happen. Even if it means filming in my car once in a while. Hey, if I can do it, you can do it too. I'm just an average guy.